Hi Papercrafters! Welcome to another Design with Jo video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I just want to show you a really quick little tip. So I know that people have a challenge sometimes making bows, so I want to show you how I make them. That's quick and easy, and you can make them just off the roll. You don't have to actually cut and possibly waste some of your ribbon. So the easiest way that I've found is to take your ribbon from the right and you're going to loop it in and have your thumb on the right side of it and your index finger on the inside. You're going to do exactly the same, so it's like this, exactly the same with the other side. So you're going to have your index finger on the inside and your thumb on the left hand side this time. And then you're just going to tie a knot. So I go left over right, but you can do the other way just as easily. And you're going to fold that one underneath and through that little hole. Let me grab it here. And then when you first make it, don't tie it really tight because you want it loose so that you can play just a little bit with the ends. So it's really loose in there right now. I can pull my ends down and then I can tighten it up a little bit more. So then all I do is I take my pair of scissors and I cut them off and you're done. Try it with some ribbon that you have at home. Give it a couple tries because it does take a little bit before you get the hang of it, and see how it works for you. If you like this tip, please like it below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I also have a blog at www.designwithjo.ca where I share lots of ideas on a regular basis. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.